How to make a private server in Blox Fruits. Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you on how to create a private server in Blox Fruits. So first of all, you have to open the Roblox application on either your PC or mobile device. Find Blox Fruits under the Continue section and then select it, but do not launch the game yet. Next, click on the social button next to the play button, which looks like two people. On mobile, you can tap the social button at the bottom and then select Create Private Server. You will see the cost for the private server, which is currently 200 Robux per month. This means you will be charged automatically each month, but you can cancel this subscription at any time. After that, you have to enter a name for your server in the server name box. Click on the subscribe button to create your private Blox Fruits server. When prompted, select Not Now, and your server should now appear under the private service section. If it does not, click on the refresh button. To configure your server, click on the three dots in the corner of your private server and then select configure. If you want your friends to join, enable the allow joining and friends allowed option. You can also add players by clicking the add people button or generate a server link by clicking the generate button. And to share the server link, click on the copy button next to the link and paste it to send it to other players. Now you know how to create a private server in Blox Fruits. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.